Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you delicious recipe of bottle gourd fudge or Lauki ki barfi with very few ingredients that is available at home. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have taken 500 grams of bottle gourd or Lauki and now start peeling the skin using the peeler, or you can use the simple knife, however you feel comfortable. And after removing the skin from the bottle gourd or the Lauki, throw these pieces and now cut the head, basically the stem part of this, and now cut this bottle gourd into smaller pieces. After cutting it into the smaller pieces, this is how it looks like. Now cut it into further half and remove the soft part. As I am showing you here, we need only the outer hard part of the bottle gourd or Lauki. We don't need the soft part. So basically we are going to use this part only. Similar way, remove all the seeds and the soft part from this bottle gourd or Lauki. And once I will finish removing all the inner portion, then I will show you. So here I have removed all the inner portion from this Lauki or bottle gourd. Now you can use this inner part to make some vegetables. And now wash these pieces into the water. Remove it from the water. After removing it from the water, it's time to grate these. We all have this type of grater, smaller one and the bigger one. So we are going to use the smaller side of the grater. So take one of the bottle gourd or the Lauki piece and start grating it. It will help to prepare the dish quickly. So after grating, this is how it looks like. And you will notice once you have grate all the bottle gourd, it will start releasing the water because it has too much water content. Now take a small portion and squeeze the excess water. You have to squeeze the water gently. We don't want it to be dry. Just gently squeeze the water from all the Lauki. And now this is the juice of Lauki or bottle gourd. You can drink it. It is very healthy. Now this is the Lauki that we are going to use. Now in a pan or kadhai, add this grated Lauki or bottle gourd and cook it on the medium flame for about a minute while stirring in between. After 1 minute, you will notice the Lauki became soft. At this point, add 1 cup of milk. You can add up to half cup of milk if you want to, and now stir it continuously. Mix the bottle gourd or Lauki into the milk and keep on stirring. And now cover and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. After 8 minutes, you will notice it's reduced to half. Now stir it for about 2 more minutes or until it gets thick. When you reach at this point, add milk powder 2 tablespoons. This is totally optional. If you want to add, you can add it. Otherwise, little bit more, you have to thick it at this consistency. Once the milk powder properly mixed into the bottle gourd mixture, add 200 grams of condensed milk. After adding the condensed milk, make sure the heat is on low flame and give it a quick mix. After mixing, add pinch of food color. It will enhance the color of the Lauki fudge or the bottle gourd fudge and give the market style color. And now cover and cook it on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep on stirring in between. We will prepare the tray. For this, I have taken this type of tray. Add little bit of ghee or clarified butter and spread it and set this aside. This is the tray ready. You have to cook this until it gets thick. Somehow the clip is deleted. I have already added the chopped dry fruits and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder and give it a quick mix. Cook it for another 1 minute until it reaches at this consistency. Switch off the gas and remove this mixture into the tray that we have greased. After removing all the mixture, spread it evenly. Make sure the thickness of this fudge is half an inch. After spreading it evenly, now set it aside for 1 to 2 hours and then I will show you. Now it's been 3 hours. The barfi is properly set. Now cut it according to your desired shape. I am cutting it into the square shape, and you will notice the barfi is not sticking into the knife. That means it is perfectly set. After cutting it, I will show you one piece, how easily it came out. And this is how the first piece, pretty easy. And this is the closure view of this bottle gourd fudge or Lockie ki barfi. Place this into the plate and similar way remove rest of the pieces, and then I will show you. After adding all the pieces, these are ready to serve. I have decorated these with some tutti frutti. You can decorate it with some almonds or dry fruits of your choice. Keep two things in mind when you are making this fudge. Remove the excess water from the Lockie when you are start cooking, and then when you are adding the condensed milk, after that cook it on low flame while stirring, and when you reach the consistency, when it starts leaving the pan, at this point switch off the gas and you will get the perfect bottle gourd or the Lockie ki barfi, and you can eat it at the fasting time. And if you like this recipe of Lockie ki barfi, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.